I just made $177.06 trading Tesla, and I did it in 13 minutes. What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. Yes, you heard me right. I just made $177.06 trading Tesla in 13 minutes. I'm very excited, but more importantly, I wanted to share this with you guys because there's a lot of ways to make money in the stock market. All right. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so my experience with the stock market has been all over the place. There was a time, if you're brand new to the channel, there was a time when I was down negative $63,000. And so, of course, I have an account set up with Robinhood, but I decided to do some day/swing trading with Tesla on Webull. I don't really know a lot about Webull. I didn't like it just because Robinhood is easier, but Webull definitely has more information and it's way more analytical. Webull's pretty freaking awesome. Anyway, I created my Webull account and I decided that I want to see if I can day trade Tesla. And so I've been doing that for a little bit and the results are going quite well. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you that today, which is September the 30th, as of the making of this video, you guys can see that on my iPhone. Today is September the 30th. The iPhone has a screen recording going on right now. I was able to make $177.06 trading Tesla in 13 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open my Webull account. So I'll touch on Webull and then I will do my Face ID. Currently, my account value is $33,843. Now, I'll show you real quickly here because I did do this in the other video. I'll go on to my transfers and I'll show you that I deposited in my account. You see at the bottom of the screen $100, then you see $22,500, and then the most recent was $6,000. So altogether, I have $28,600. Okay, so $28,600 is how much money I have in my account. And real quickly, I will show you my profit loss. So currently in year to date, my profit loss, I'm up $5,243, and all of this is from Tesla. So if I click on history, you'll see here at the very top of the screen, my most recent trade, which today is September the 30th. You can see here on the right hand side, you can see that I executed my trade at 9:45 a.m. Okay, and then I sold it at 9:58. So we have 9:45, which is in the second slot, and then 9:58, which is the top slot. That is 13 minutes that I made the profit that I made. But real quickly, if I show you my history, this is my history, and I'll scroll down. And you can see at the very bottom of the screen, all you see all the way up from the bottom is Tesla. Bottom to the top, only Tesla. Okay, so let's talk about the most recent transaction that I had, which was I bought 26 shares. So this is the second line that you're looking at on the screen, 26 shares with Tesla, and it was for $777.09. I made that purchase at 9:45 a.m. Okay, you guys can see that. And then I sold my same 26 shares at the top of the screen here for $783.90. I sold that at 9:58 a.m. So if we do the math on that real quickly, that's 26 shares. And I have, let's see, what was it? 777.09. Let's double check that. 26 shares at 777.09. And then we will subtract 783.90 just to make sure. Let's double check. 783.90, of course. So we have a difference of $6.81, and I had 26 shares. So let's do 681 times 26. That is $177.06 that I made trading Tesla today. And it only took 13 minutes. I was actually, you know what, let me see if I can make a little bit of money today. And I did. So once again, I share with you guys here, my purchase was made September the 30th, 9:45 a.m. 26 shares, and then I sold at 9:58 a.m. The same 26 shares, which allowed me to make a profit of $177.06. Once again, I'm not a guru. I'm just a regular person, and I'm trying different things. Like I said, there was a point where I was down $63,000 in the stock market. If you're new to the channel, that's the first time you've heard that. But if you're not new, you know that because I share that information all the time. I want to be as transparent as possible because a lot of people kind of glamorize the stock market and trading and make it seem like it's just so easy. Okay, let's see how much money that was. Real quickly, so I had 26 shares initially, 777.09 times 26 shares. That was $20,200. Okay, so I invested $20,200 for 13 minutes, and I was able to make $177.06. Now, if you're just starting, clearly I wouldn't tell you, hey, go out and try to day trade Tesla. Now, you can totally do that because you can do whatever you want. But the thing is, like, when you're starting out, whether you're trying to day trade or you're trying to do dividend investing or you're trying to just invest in index funds, and all of those things, you're going to be able to do well if you have the knowledge. Okay, when you're first starting out and you have some success, don't undermine that success. If you win and you get a little profit trading, that's huge. A lot of people don't know what to do and how it works. One of the things that I would suggest if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, let's say you take interest in one particular company, because people can trade only one stock their entire life and make a lot of money. Like if instead of $20,000, if I had invested, $200,000, of course I would have grabbed more shares and the profit would have been bigger. There's a lot of ifs and ands out there, right? But the thing is, like, when you're investing on a smaller scale, and let's say, your profit is only $3. Yeah, of course it's only $3, but that's because how many shares you have, what the difference was in the price that allows you to get that $3. So what I'm saying is you should still celebrate the small victories because that is sign of success. Now, the same is true if you were to lose $3, right? It's going to be a lot greater when you scale up on your money that you're going to invest. Of course, your winnings will be bigger, your profit will be bigger, and so will your losses. So that's definitely something to consider, but you definitely want to take action, man. You can't be passive and you can't be sitting on the sidelines. If you want to change or you want a different outcome or you want financial freedom, you have to take action. And so once again, I'm just going to share my experience with you guys. And as a result of doing so, hopefully you can, benefit, learn, and eventually take action. It's about taking action. All right. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will get the notification for future videos. All right. My name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.